Our second contest is a singles match scheduled for...
I hope it's just one fall. I want to see this guy get fucked up.
It's one fall.
Look at him, he's such a jerk.
Introducing first!
It's called Kegels.
Already in the ring. Oh, yeah.
Oh, like a fucking jobber.
How much can you kegel?
What is this, 1983?
He hails from Baltimore, Maryland, weighing in tonight at 168 pounds. He used to sell blinds in Baltimore.
Don't even fucking introduce him.
He is one half of...
Don't even say it.
Don't read that part.
Oh,
Say it.
okay. Alright, he's formerly one half of Clear After the Blind
The
Guy.
worst half.
He is the blind man!
Boo!
I mean,
You're just a jerk.
Yeah, that's what he is.
Q&A! 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 Q. I have a question for blind guy.
Alright, sir.
Blind man.
In the front row.
Why are you such a douchebag?
Oh!
Got him!
I got some Q&A for you.
3 words
You're
or less.
Queer, and I'm gonna kick your ace, buddy boy.
He used both letters. That counts.
Ass begins with A, right?
It's
Who's his
it's a
opponent?
homonym.
Where's that from? Where's the peanut gallery in here?
Oh, Washington Carver. And his opponent, he hails from Whooping Cough, Jamaica, weighing in tonight at a very sick, 218 pounds. He is coughing Kingston, because Kingston's in Jamaica. Hit the music.
I'm gonna put him in a coffin.
Oh, jeez.
That was good.
That was slang.
I can't even do it.
Ugh, that's just gross. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God! Fucking shit in the.
Yeah, give it up for him.
Oh God!
Pete Butler.
Sorry.
Cover your mouth. You would think this dry air would clear it up. You Doc Holliday, get some tuberculosis.
Nice to see you today.
Oh, don't shake! No.
When's that?
Probably shouldn't touch my eyes.
Some pure. Oh.
What's that?
It's,
I kind of want you to win, blind man.
That's me. I haven't seen it.
Oh, it's a funny movie.
I haven't seen
I'll
it!
watch it tonight.
Hey!
No!
It's a good movie.
Yeah.
Good movie.
Alright, ring the bell.
I'm kind of rooting for you now. Can I just say that?
Have a match. You want this fist?
Bullshit.
Yeah!
Oh yeah.
He's still gonna give it to you!
Oh, cough him out.
Oh, that was close.
Oh. I distanced myself.
Oh.
I bet you're used to that, buddy.
Oh.
Come on, get on up, buddy.
I'll show you.
He covers his mouth.
Nick's on the second trimester of beating it at this point.
Oh,
this fist?
jeez.
Nick K's prostitute sophisticated.
Late term abortion.
Hold on.
That's what this match is.
Oh, I've been stabbed. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
You want this fist? I think that's legal.
Look at this guy.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I'm not.
Oh,
Yeah.
have you ever heard of a lozenge?
Give him the swine flu.
Spell that. Oh, that'd be a good angle.
Good ankle.
But, buddy.
Oh no! Come
I like what
on,
you've done to Ice.
Hey!
win, but win
I like what
fairly.
you've done.
Where's your accent? Where's your sore throat Jamaican accent?
That's such an doesn't Benny's box. They have 2 new locations.
You want this fist?
Hey!
Hey, come on! No, win fairly.
Oh!
Oh,
Now.
give him the fist.
Oh!
You want this fist?
Is that a sausage pizza?
You want this fist? You want this fist?
Oh, this is over.
You don't even know how to do a
Oh my God.
That's 2! And 3!
That's 69 is what that
For all you people at home, hit his music.
is. That was about 67 more than 2.
Hit his music.
Fuck his music.
That's not your Russell. This matches are won.
This is a very heelish night.
You look like Dusty Rhodes' no-talent brother. Oh, come
Holy
on.
shit, what the hell's that about?
Bet you didn't see that coming. Just get out of here. You're so played.
That's how it's done.
Get out of the ring.
Why is that arm so much bigger than the other?
Used to sell blind.
From carrying icy clearly on
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
carried
yeah.
him with that arm.
You lobbed it up there for him.
That's blind man heel.
Oh.
Put a little Nas on it.
Oh, Nas. You can hate me now.